Hey guys, so I got my control arms, rear control arms. I'll be able to adjust the camber and toe. That's what we're gonna be doing. While Charlie over here is doing I don't know what to his headlights. What are you doing, Carlos? Show me. Good eyebrow. His camera shy. Also, Z1 sent me stickers, so I'll be putting them on the window. But yeah, I will show you how to do this. It's pretty simple. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so first thing, remove the wheel. It's not really necessary. I guess it just depends the size of your wheels. It just makes it easier, more roomy. I have the control arms right here. This one is toe, this one is camber. Toe has a bigger bushing, well, the part in the middle. And something that I like, something that I just noticed, the bushing inside is very small, so there's less flex, it's more rigid. So I like that. And I was just thinking, I'm maybe getting the subframe braces. I think that's how Z1 calls them, to reinforce it, just make everything more rigid. But yeah. Oh, those are the ARK lowering springs. They're holding really well. I like how they ride. In the meantime, I have Charlie right here that's going to paint those for me, so sometimes it's nice. Oh yeah, let's get those. Okay, and I just wanted to show you real quick which one's which. So this one is toe, so it's what makes your wheel go like this or like that. And the one on the bottom is camber, so it pushes it from the bottom, and that makes your wheel go like negative camber, positive camber. So yeah, it's really easy. Just take, you can hold this one, and then you turn this one. Is the easiest way, and then you have two more in there. Same here, and those two are adjustable. I noticed they sell like a little bracket for toe that holds it in so it doesn't move under heavy stress. I don't think it's necessary, at least not for what I've been doing lately. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave them like that. And I figured out the easiest way. Remove this one first, you drop it on this side, and then you can slide out the bolt because it's a little bit under stress. But yeah, remove this one first and then that one. And over here I have them, so you can see it's actually, this one looks like the original one looks like it's aluminum, and it's significantly lighter than the aftermarket. So I'm by the color, I think it's aluminum. So right now I'm just going to adjust it so it has the same length, and then tomorrow morning when I take it to the shop to get it aligned, they'll be able to fine tune it. All right, well, they're on. I kind of adjust them like eyeballing. Definitely one has more camber than the other one. But yeah, tomorrow morning I'm just gonna take it to the alignment shop, which is like 3 blocks from my house, which is nice. I don't have to worry about wearing my tires or anything like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, anything, drop them below. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.